Hi guys, this is Ayushi here and I'm back again with another pick a card reading on my channel. And as you all know, on this channel I like to bring tarot pick a card readings, oracle messages, weekly updates and other spiritual stuff. So if that's something that interests you, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you will be notified each time I upload my new videos. And I do offer personal readings, so if you are interested, make sure to check out the description box. I will gonna link my Instagram down below. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, and besides that, for today's reading guys, make sure that you do check description box out, because for each file I will gonna link down a channeled message from your guides. Okay, so just make sure that you check out the description box as well. Okay. Now as you can see, I have arranged three piles right over here. This is pile number 1, this is pile number 2, and this is pile number 3. And with each pile I have some oracle messages for you all, which we will gonna see in the end of the reading. So by now you must have been very clear with the title that today's pick a card reading is about upcoming week. Okay, like what will gonna happen in the coming week in terms of your career, finances and love life. Okay, so now before you take any one of these piles, I would like you to take 4 to calm deep relaxing breath. Try to calm your mind, center your thoughts, center your emotions, and I will gonna repeat the options again for you. This is pile number 1, this is pile number 2, and this is pile number 3. Okay, now listen to your intuition and pick a pile that you feel most drawn to. Alright, and I will gonna jump ahead to my pile number 1. I will see you all in your readings, and timestamps are down below in the description box. So yeah, again make sure that you check description box out there. Okay, I will gonna jump ahead to my pile number 1 now. Hey there, if you pick pile number 1, this is your reading. Guys, make sure that you do stay till the end, because we do have some oracle guidance for you waiting. Okay, and now coming up to your upcoming week. What will gonna happen in this upcoming week? Okay, we have page of swords, then right after the page of swords we have 10 of cups, and right after that we have 6 of wands and the emperor. All right. Okay, so for a lot of you, what I'm getting here is that your love life was on a hold for very long period of time. Okay, your partner was not communicating with you. Okay, with this emperor card there was a disconnect in this connection. Okay, what I'm getting here with this page of swords, that if you are in a no contact with your partner, okay, and you feel like you are the only one that is missing them, they are not missing you, this is not the case. Okay, they miss you too, because we have 10 of cups. Okay, so in the upcoming week you may receive a communication from them. Okay, they have a eye on you, they are spying you on your social media. Okay, even if you don't know, they might check your Facebook and Instagram. Okay, with the Six of Wands, I do see that you guys are doing some sort of inner work. Okay, and what your guides are telling me is that your inner work is paying off. Okay, don't stop it. Continue doing it. Trust me, it is so worth it. Okay, if you are trying to manifest self-love, or if you were healing yourself and healing yourself from the past experience of this relationship, then even it is paying off. You will have victory over your emotions. Okay, you will understand your own worth. Okay, That was the first message I was picking up for you. Also, when it comes to your career, okay, since we have the Emperor here, I do see that, like, you will have some sort of authority, okay. People will know you for your work, okay. And especially in terms of your career, I feel like with this sword in his hand, I feel like it's very important for you right now to create some boundaries with people who no longer serves you, okay. Definitely there is a need for you to set some boundaries and cut cords with people who don't serve you, and basically who don't deserve you. Don't be with someone just because you have to pass your time, or don't be with someone just because you are free at that moment. Understand your priorities and understand your own worth, okay. Never settle for anything less than you deserve, okay. Also, for a lot of you, what I'm getting is, if you are an artist, okay, I do see a lot of colors around me. So if you are an artist, or you are waiting for an Instagram growth, your guides are telling you that yes, you got this, continue working on your project and you will have growth, okay. Even though right now, if you may not see some followers, or right now there is no gain in terms of your followers, but in the near future, approximately around 6 days after this reading, you will gonna see that you are gaining followers and people are appreciating you for your work, okay. So that was the message I was picking up for my pile number 1 from the tarot. And now I will gonna see your oracle messages in a minute. Okay, so from Moonology Oracle card, I have it's time to release negativity, full moon in Scorpio, and then from the Angel Answers card, we have let go. Okay, so guys, whoever choose pile number 1, definitely there is a need for you to release negativity, okay. Release that self-doubt kind of thing, that you are not worthy or people will not like it. You don't need to carry that burden, not anymore at least, okay. And then with this let go card, I feel like you are carrying a lot on your shoulders, like a lot of past issues, a lot of past troubles, and you just really need to let go of it, okay. And also, if you were waiting for progress, because I see finance over here, and also over here like coins coming up, so it is coming to you. If you were manifesting abundance, it is there, okay. But there is a need for you to surrender, okay. Surrender it to the divine. Don't control yourself, and don't try to control situations that you can't handle, okay. Because what is happening here is that you are trying to control certain things which are not under your control, and it is creating negativity, okay. So just do one thing: take a walk out in nature and spend some time in nature. It will gonna give you a lot of healing, okay. Also connect with your angels, because with these wings in this card, I feel like they are ready to help you, but it's only you who are not believing in them, okay. It's only you who are not believing in yourself. So just try to believe in yourself. Continue doing your self love and inner work. It is paying off, trust me guys. Within 6 days you will gonna see that whatever artwork you were doing will gonna grow, and a lot of positivity will gonna come in, because we have 10 of cups. A happy ending is there for you in the upcoming week, okay guys. So right now it's very important for you to release negativity, okay. So that's what I had for my pile number 1. Let me know in the comment section below which part resonated with you. And now I will gonna jump ahead to my pile number 2, and I will see you all in your readings. Also guys, make sure to check the description box out, because there is a channel song for you there, okay. Bye bye pile number 1. Hey there, if you pick pile number 2, this is your reading on the upcoming week. What will gonna happen in terms of your career, finances, and love life? Okay, so we have strength, the hangman, six of cups, and the high priestess. Also, we do have oracle messages for you, so make sure you stay till the end of this reading. Okay, and I do have a channel song for you in the description box, so make sure that you do check it out. Okay, coming up to this pile, while I was shuffling, guys, uh, I heard a very important message for this pile, which was that you guys really need to meditate. Okay, there is a need for you to meditate right now. Okay, also with this high priestess, again I'm getting that meditative energy, like there is a need for you to meditate, because I feel like with this six of cups and the hangman coming up in the between, I feel like that something from your past is keeping you stuck. It could be anything. Okay, it could be a relationship, it could be a person, it could be a family member, it could be a friend who is trying to dominate you by showing some sort of love, and this needs to be released. Okay, so for that you need to meditate. It's very important for this pile in the current moment to sit in a position of meditation and just try to relax their body and soul as well. Okay, with the strength card coming up here as the first card, what I feel is that, guys, you have the inner strength. Okay, you have the inner power. If you see here, this lady here, right over here, is trying to tame the lion. Okay, taming a lion is very tough task, but if she can do it, you can do it too. Okay, so if you are feeling very negative about your relationship, or if you are feeling in a doubt, and firstly, with this hangman, there is a need for you to surrender. Okay, there is a need for you to change some perspective and see your life with new fresh energy. Okay, because people from your past are really trying to influence you in some or the other way. Okay, with this strength card, your guides are really trying to tell you that you have the inner strength, you have the inner power to let go of anything that no longer serves you. In the file 1 also there was the same message that if something is not serving you, just let it go. Okay, don't wait for the outcome, don't wait for the people to change, just love yourself enough. This is the message that I'm getting for pile number 2. Also, I feel like that you guys need to work on your throat chakra, because I can't speak properly. If you notice that, definitely there is a need for you to meditate. Try doing seven chakra meditation, because I feel like somewhere you find it really hard to speak your truth with the people whom you love. Okay, and they take advantage of that. Okay, so it's very important for you to meditate, to be aware of your own self, and to be aware of your own inner strength and your own inner talents. Okay, so that was the message I was picking up for this pile. Upcoming week could be a little challenging for this pile. That is why, that is the reason that your guides are continuously telling you that you need to meditate. Also, with this high priestess, invest your time in learning in the upcoming week. Okay, try to read books, try to read, like, self-help books. It will gonna benefit you a lot. Okay, also with this hangman, if you see that that guy is hanging on the tree, and besides his head, sorry, in the back of his head there is a sun. Okay, so for you guys, I feel like tap into the nature, connect with nature. Okay, plant a tree, or just, like, do something that helps you grow as a person. It could be anything, it could be one of your hobbies, okay, so that you can remove yourself from this past energy. Stop overthinking. Do not overthink the situations that went wrong. Everything happens for a reason, okay guys. You don't have to worry. You don't there is no need for you to be perfect. Okay, if somebody is trying to tell you that you do this and this is not the right way to do things, don't listen to those people who try to pull you down. Okay, which is a very strong message I'm picking up for this file. uh, Guys, in the upcoming week, try to, invest in yourself. And that is a very strong message for this file. Try to invest yourself. Okay, spend time with yourself. Don't listen to what other people are trying to tell you. Okay, I don't know why in my every readings, one or the one or someone, I always tell them that, don't listen to other people, because you can't please everyone. People will gonna judge you, and not everyone will gonna like you. Understand that, okay? You should be the person who love yourself enough. Again, it's a very strong message, could be very specific for some of you. Okay, so this is a general reading, guys. Take what resonates and leave the rest. It's very high energy and I can't speak properly, guys. You really need to work on your throat chakra, because I feel like, it's very hard for you to say what you feel, especially towards those whom you love. Okay, so definitely there is a need for you to meditate. And I will gonna end the tarot part over here, and I will gonna switch to your oracle messages as a guidance for the upcoming week. And yeah, guys, so from Moonology Oracle card, I have a new start is coming in, new moon. And from Angel Answers, I have not the right time. Okay, so guys, if you are worrying way too much about your relationship with your significant other, your angels are telling you that it's not the right time to think about the things that went wrong. Okay, because I do see that a new start is coming for you. Okay, don't invest your time in thinking for the things that went wrong. Okay, I hope that makes sense to you, because I do see that something new is coming in. Yeah, definitely. Maybe in this new moon, I hope I'm not wrong with this new moon. But yeah, in this new moon, something new will gonna happen for this pile. Okay, in terms of your career, love life, and finances also. I'm sorry, guys, my dog is barking, and I hope you can't hear that voice. Okay, I will try to cut that. Anyways, so guys, it's not the right time for you to take stress or take worry for the others. Try to heal yourself. And yeah, that's all what I had for pile number 2. Let me know in the comments if something resonated with you, and make sure to do check it out the description box, because I have a channel song for you over there. And I will see you in my next readings. Bye bye, pile 2. Hi there, pile 3. So, if you pick pile 3, this is your reading. Okay, so from tarot cards, we have the moon, Six of Swords, and Two of Cups, and Eight of Wands. Okay, so for a lot of you, okay, what I'm getting here is that a lot of you are on your soulmate journey. Okay, like for a lot of you, I'm getting that you are on a soulmate journey. And for the upcoming week, if you are in a long distance relationship, guys, because we have Six of Swords and Eight of Wands, so if you are in a long distance relationship, then in the upcoming week there is a great chance for you to meet and travel your partner. Okay, you could be meeting your partner through travel. Okay, in the upcoming week, let me just see what I'm getting for you guys. Okay, with this moon card right over here as your first card, what I feel like, you feel very scared. Okay, and you feel like, what if things fall apart between us? What if things don't work out? Okay, and what if he or she will gonna cheat you? Okay, you need to surrender that, which is again kind of similar message to pile 1 and pile 2, but the energies is quite different right over here, because it's a, like, it's complete love reading, if I can say that. Yeah, you may be waiting for, like, some sort of good news. With this Eight of Wands, I would like to tell you that yes, it is coming in towards you. Okay, for a lot of you, I feel like, you want to have a peace in your life. Okay, uh, you want to have some fun near beaches, because what I'm seeing here is that a lot of water. Okay, and also we have Six of Swords, which is again like a card of travel. So you could plan this weekend traveling with your partner, if that resonates. I don't know, it's a very specific message and it is for some of you guys. This is a general reading, take what resonates and just leave the rest, okay, if it doesn't resonate. Okay, so I would like to tell you guys that your connection is very protected, because if you see this Two of Cups, and we do have Angel as the top of the energy in this Two of Cups, so your connection is very well protected. Okay, guys, don't worry. Like, you don't need to worry about it, like how things will gonna go and how you can handle that stuff. No, you don't need to worry about that. I'm sorry, guys, my dog is barking again, and I hope you can't hear that voice. I will try to fix it up if it appears. And yeah, so what I was telling is that your connection is very well protected. Okay, it's protected, guys. It's a spiritual connection, which is again soulmate connection, and it's protected. You don't need to worry. Okay, and guys, in terms of your career also, I do feel that you want to start something new, but you are very scared that if it will gonna work out or not. Okay, so what your guides are trying to tell me is that don't worry about the outcome, just start doing it, whatever it is that you want to do. Okay, which is again a very strong message. Don't worry about the outcome, like you don't have to think like what will be the outcome of this situation and how it will look like if I start working this. You don't need to worry about that. There is a fear that you need to release. Okay, in the upcoming week I do see travel opportunities for you guys, and also if you are manifesting travel, it is there. It is there for you. Yeah, very strongly it is there. Okay, now I will gonna jump ahead to your oracle cards. Guys, make sure you do check it out the description box. I will gonna link there your channeled song. Okay, and now I will gonna switch to your oracle messages in a minute. So these are your oracle messages, guys. From Moonology Oracle card, I have a win-win outcome is forecast, full moon in Libra, and from Angel Answers, I have take action. Guys, I told you in the beginning that if you want to start something new in terms of your career, don't be spectacle and just go ahead. Your angels are telling you that it's the right time to take action. Okay, whatever it is that you are planning to do, whatever it is that, like, you were thinking of doing, go ahead, just do it, because there is a light in that career. I do see things working out very well for you. Okay, also with this a win-win outcome is forecast. What I feel that, your relationship with this person whom you are dealing with will gonna get balance. Okay, justice is going to be there, and if you were like, having fights with this person, things will gonna get much more better. Okay, So yeah guys, that's all what I had for my pile number 3. Let me know in the comments which part resonated with you and how this reading helped you, and I will see you all in your next readings. Lots of love and light. Bye bye pile number 3.